Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can edit the tab bar of your Facebook page. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Facebook app. So I'm going to open the Facebook app here. You have to switch the profile or you have to switch the page in which you want to edit your tab bar. So now what we have to do, simply we have to go to the menu section and then we have to click on the settings option. And after clicking on the settings option, simply we have to scroll down. And as you can see, you will be able to see the fourth option, which is called tab bar. So we have to click on the tab bar here. Now, if you want to customize it, you can also do that. Now, simply we have to click on this. As you can see, if you want to add a professional dashboard, then the create and the menu is also provided here. If you want to remove any of them, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this and it will be removed, but I'm going to make it enable. So in this way, you can edit your tab bar of your Facebook page. You can enable it. You can disable these icons, these tools. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.